Hello, traders, and welcome to DMBFX Market Analysis Monday, 14th of November. We're going to have a look at our templates, the Euro USD, the cable, which is the GBP USD, and the Euro versus the Swiss franc. We're going to try and see what the trend is for today, whereabouts the currencies are heading. We're also going to have a look at their individual currency charts to see how they're performing against each other. And finally, we're going to have a look at the buyers and sellers to determine who's in control today. So let's start with the Euro USD as usual. You have a pretty bearish outlook for the Euro USD, as you can see. Has been trading sideways here, got up to the 137.974 area, got rejected there, and has pretty much the bears been in control, taking it down to the 136.260. If we have a closer look at the hourly chart here, you see that it is pretty much in the buy zone at the moment, as you can see here. The USD being pretty strong at the moment, trending up, obviously taking the euro down. There is a bit of a divergence taking place here, and it is kind of trading below its long-term moving average, as you can see here. If we have a look at the euro's long-term moving average, you can see that it's pretty bearish given all the debt crisis drama in the horizon in the eurozone. And if we look at the USD, you see that we have pretty much the same scenario for the dollar as well. Finally, if we have a look at the buyers and sellers here, you see that the buyers are predominantly in control at the moment in the 1 hour chart. However, is still pretty much in the neutral territory, as you can see. If we continue on towards the cable today for Monday, you see that we have pretty much a similar scenario as we had for the Euro USD. Obviously, the USD being very strong, you see that the bears have taken control of the GBP. Got up to the 169.84 area, however, has predominantly been bearish and pretty much trading at the 159 level at the moment. If we move on to have a look at the hourly chart today, you see that obviously the USD taking predominant control here, trending up with a divergence taking place at the moment. The pound obviously being very bearish, trading below its long-term moving average, and on the USD you see a pretty similar scenario, as you can see. We'll have a look at the buyers and sellers for the cable. You see that the buyers are predominantly in control. It seems as if we have a bit of a rally going on up here, and it remains to be seen whereabouts it will go next. If we have a closer look at the Euro CHF today, you see that no major thing really going on here. You still see a relative undecided currency with the sideways movement. It got up to the 124.085 area, however, got rejected there, and it was pretty much trading at the 123.577 area at the moment. If we have a closer look at the hourly chart here, you see that on the individual charts, you see that the Swiss franc predominantly in control. However, the euro is still pretty much below its long-term moving average, and so is the Swiss franc, which kind of explains the sideways movement as we have up here. Finally, if we have a look closer at the probability indicator, you see it obviously that the buyers are pretty much in control at the moment. However, there is still a high probability of a sideways movement for this currency. That's pretty much it for the market analysis update for DMBFX for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.